Well over a year ago, the president of Haiti was assassinated. And since then, this beautiful island has been ruled by gang violence. And one of the artisan communities that we partner with there is geographically located on the border between two gangs, which means they are caught in the crossfire of these two gangs at war with each other. This means that our artisan partners are enduring not only a general fear to go to work, which is something that no human being should have to experience, but they're experiencing assault, violence, thefts, kidnappings of either artisan partners themselves or of their loved ones. Our artisan partners at times have had to hide under the tables at their workshops because of the gunfire that is happening while they're trying to work. So this artisan community has identified a new location, a new workshop that they can move to, and they are currently in the process of raising funds to cover moving costs. We at Trades of Hope are creating a fundraiser so that you can help them get those moving costs situated so they can move to safety. And we're doing that through this soaring dove ornament. The holidays are just around the corner and we all want something meaningful in our homes. This soaring dove ornament is all handmade, hand cut, all details are hand hammered from a upcycled steel oiled drum. This is a traditional art form in Haiti. And at the top is a bead that's made out of cereal boxes. And it's all on this beautiful festive red ribbon. $10 of every purchase of a single soaring dove ornament will go back to our artisan partners so that they can help receive the funds necessary to move to safety. Not only will you receive this work of art for your home, but you'll also know that you have made a tangible impact in the lives of our artisan partners in Haiti. Thank you so much.